What is bioinformatics? Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that combines biology, computer science, and information technology to analyze and interpret biological data. It emerged as a response to the vast amounts of data generated by modern biological research, such as genome sequencing, protein analysis, and drug discovery. Bioinformatics tools and techniques help scientists understand complex biological systems by organizing, storing, and analyzing large data sets. The primary goal of bioinformatics is to convert raw biological data into meaningful information that can lead to discoveries in various areas, such as genetics, medicine, and environmental science. Key concepts in bioinformatics: genomics and proteomics. Genomics is the study of an organism's complete set of DNA, including all of its genes, while proteomics focuses on the study of the structure, function, and interaction of proteins within an organism. Bioinformatics plays a crucial role in analyzing genomic sequences and predicting protein structures. For example, DNA sequencing generates large amounts of data that need to be organized and analyzed to understand gene functions. Sequence alignment. Sequence alignment is one of the core techniques in bioinformatics. It involves arranging DNA, RNA, or protein sequences to identify regions of similarity, which can indicate functional, structural, or evolutionary relationships between sequences. There are two types of sequence alignment. Global alignment aligns entire sequences end to end. Local alignment focuses on matching similar subsequences within larger sequences. This technique is widely used in evolutionary biology and for identifying gene functions. Databases in bioinformatics. Several databases store biological information that is essential for research. Some of the most commonly used databases are GenBank, a repository of nucleotide sequences from various organisms. Protein Data Bank, PDB, contains 3D structural data of proteins and nucleic acids. Ensemble, a genomic database that helps with genome annotation and analysis. These databases allow researchers to store and share large data sets, making it easier to conduct experiments and compare results across studies. Algorithms and computational tools. Bioinformatics relies on algorithms and computational tools to analyze large data sets. Algorithms such as BLAST, Basic Local Alignment Search Tool, help in comparing an unknown sequence against known databases to find similarities. Tools like ClustalW perform multiple sequence alignments, while others like PhyML create phylogenetic trees to study evolutionary relationships. Systems biology. Systems biology is an approach within bioinformatics that focuses on understanding how different biological systems, such as proteins, genes, and metabolic pathways, interact with each other. It integrates data from various sources to create models that can predict how biological systems function under different conditions. This holistic view helps in understanding diseases and developing treatments. Functional genomics. Functional genomics aims to understand the functions of genes and non-coding regions of the genome. Bioinformatics tools are essential in identifying which genes are active under specific conditions and how they interact with other genes and proteins. This field has applications in personalized medicine, where treatments can be tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. Structural bioinformatics. Structural bioinformatics focuses on predicting and analyzing the 3D structures of biological molecules, such as proteins and nucleic acids. Knowing the structure of a protein, for instance, helps researchers understand its function and how it interacts with other molecules. Structural bioinformatics is critical in drug discovery, where researchers design drugs that fit into the active sites of target proteins. Real-life use cases of bioinformatics. Drug discovery and development. In the pharmaceutical industry, bioinformatics is used to accelerate the drug discovery process. Researchers use bioinformatics tools to predict how drugs will interact with specific proteins and biological pathways. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, Bioinformatics was used to study the virus's genetic structure, which helped in the rapid development of vaccines. Personalized medicine. Personalized medicine involves tailoring medical treatments to the individual characteristics of each patient. Bioinformatics allows for the analysis of a person's genome to predict how they will respond to certain medications, enabling doctors to choose the most effective treatment. For instance, cancer treatments can be customized based on the genetic mutations in a patient's tumor. Agriculture and crop improvement. In agriculture, bioinformatics helps in understanding the genetic makeup of crops, which can be used to develop varieties that are more resistant to diseases, pests, and environmental stresses. Genomic data of crops like wheat, rice, and maize are analyzed to enhance yield and nutritional value. This leads to more sustainable agricultural practices. Evolutionary biology. Bioinformatics plays a vital role in understanding evolutionary relationships among species by comparing their genetic sequences. By analyzing similarities and differences in DNA or protein sequences, researchers can trace the evolutionary history of organisms and identify common ancestors. This has been instrumental in constructing the tree of life and studying how species have evolved over time. Importance of bioinformatics. Bioinformatics has revolutionized biological research by enabling the analysis of large and complex data sets. It helps bridge the gap between experimental biology and computational sciences, leading to faster and more accurate discoveries. Its importance continues to grow as more biological data is generated, especially with the advent of technologies like next-generation sequencing and CRISPR gene editing. The field also plays a critical role in areas like genomic medicine, forensic science, biotechnology, and environmental monitoring, making it a cornerstone of modern biological research.